Junkyard Racing or Junkyard Restoration. The channel's changing. We're no longer going to be focusing on the racing aspect of things on this channel as much. We're going to be focusing on restoring junky old cars that we truly love into the best state we can possibly make them on a budget. As Otto would say,
I'm tired of killing them. You know, I woke up one morning and thought, I'm no longer a destroyer. I'm a means of resurrection. Now we restore, we revive.
Well, there you have it. 2020 kind of sucked for the whole world. Sucked for me, sucked for you guys, and with that, things had to go, things had to shift. It's been 2 years. I mean, I don't really keep a car more than a year and a half anyway. So over that time, since I've quit filming, my entire fleet has changed. All of these cars from the channel that you know from the past, well, all those cars are gone now. They've either been sold or passed on or whatever needed to happen to them, and we have a new fleet, an almost entirely new fleet, with the only two remaining cars from previous videos being the Ford F100 of mine and my good friend Bomboy's Datsun B210, which from our debut video of the channel, we both still have those cars, both of which are actually here in my shop now. I wanted to get back into YouTube with the motivation from my little brother Nicholas to tell me, who cares about your changes? The channel should be about cars anyway, and he's right. So it doesn't really matter about me or anything else. We're only going to be focusing on cars here. And, well, I've got some really special ones. I've got a really new project that'll be the next video that I upload. It's already been started, and we're going to kind of jump in the middle of that project a little bit, but I promise you it will be worth it. We definitely are not going to be restoring things to concourse condition. We're not trying to win awards. And to be honest, who wants a car like that anyway? A car that nice you can't even really drive it and enjoy it. You're worried about rock chips or some texting teenager in a Camry T-boning you in an intersection. It's just not worth it. I'd rather have a car that looks great, drives brilliantly, and just you can enjoy it. You don't have to worry about it that much. I mean, obviously nobody wants a door ding, but still, it should be a car that I can drive and enjoy whenever I please without having any type of anxiety about it. And that's the goal of the channel. The cars we build on this channel going forward are going to be cars that we build for driving and enjoying. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to make trips to the junkyard. We're going to take you guys along with us, and we're going to try to find new and great parts for these little builds that we're going to be doing. And we're not going to be going to shows that much, but I do promise that we will go to some. I'm really planning to go to Radwood this year. Spoiler alert. But we'll see how that pans out, and I'm hoping to bring you guys along for that. I hope you guys enjoy where the channel is going to be going. I thank my very small number of subscribers, and please enjoy the content going forward and enjoy your car as well. As always, stay junky, my friends.